Okay, to complete steps 3 and 4, you will go online and download the forms. So step 3 is about functional assessment interview. You know, there are so many functional assessment interview forms available online. If you Google, you'll find out so many. Initially, I wanted to use the interview form developed by Dr. O'Neill, but that form is really, really long, I think, although the form is very thorough. However, these days, there are so many functional assessment interview forms available online, like I said before, but those forms are developed based on Dr. O'Neill's form. So basically, all of those forms available are looking similar. So I decided to use this form because this form is short and easy, but also includes the core elements of interview questions. So you can download this and you will choose one person. So you will interview the person to figure out your focus child's, focus individual's problem behavior and the function of problem behavior. So you will choose one person. That person must be the direct stakeholder. It means the person you choose must have consistent contact with your focused individual with disability. So they must have like consistent interactions with the focused individuals with disabilities. So for example, if you are not the focus individual's teacher, then you can interview the focus individual's lead teacher or other teachers like special ed teacher, general ed teacher, or therapist, or parents, grandparents. So these kind of very direct stakeholders, you can choose one person from these direct stakeholders to interview them. Okay, just one person. So you can fill out this form. So this is step 3. Let's talk about step 4. Step 4 is pathway. So you will develop BIP, download the form, and the first page you will see this. Because you just have some observation and you figure out students' current level of developments and the concerned area, and you had interview so based on those information you gather, you will come up with summary statements about the challenging behavior the students has. So your hypothesis must include the setting events, antecedent, behavior, consequence, and possible function of the behavior. So you will come up with short hypothesis about the behavior. If you need example, I will upload example so you can take a look at it. Once you're done, you will fill out this pathway and you will develop the intervention, potential intervention plan. So using your hypothesis, you will fill out this path first. Setting events, antecedent, problem, behavior, consequence, function. So these paths should match it with your hypothesis up here. Okay, and then you can develop desired behavior and consequence, and also you can come up with an alternative behavior, one alternate behavior that that has functional equivalence as problem behavior. So alternate behavior and problem behavior, they should lead to the same consequence, similar consequence, and same function. Okay. And then I gave you several examples of these instructional strategy for setting events, antecedents, teaching strategy, and consequences. You can use those examples, or if you have any other idea, you can use your own. There will be no correct and incorrect answer though. So once you're done, you can upload your answer to Blackboard. If you have any question, please contact me via email, or you can use the online office hour as well.